You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how do you pronounce this word? Well, it depends is the short answer. This is originally a word from French meaning powder. It also refers to gunpowder. It said poudre, poudre in French, so poudre, it should be said in English. But yes, there is a famous river in Colorado, United States, named this way, and locals often say it as poudre, poudre, rather than poudre, poudre, as in cache la poudre. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.